Hi friends, today we are going to make veg chow mein Hakka noodles, and for that we need cabbage, oil, carrots, Szechuan sauce, dark soy sauce, tomato ketchup, salt, green chilies, capsicum, onions and tomatoes. Next we need is chow mein Hakka noodles masala, ginger garlic paste, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, white vinegar and Hakka noodles. To one kadai we will add oil, 1 tablespoon of oil approximately. To that we are adding the green chilies. Next we'll add is our onions. This is 1 onion which I've chopped and 1 tomato, 1 large tomato. I have taken a big kadai so it's easy to stir. To this I will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, next we are going to add is our tomato ketchup, approximately 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and around 1 or 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce, depending on how spicy you want it. The flame is going to be high at all times. To this I've added another 1 teaspoon of salt and I'm going to give it a good stir. You have to stir this really well. And it's better if you take a kadai which is open like this. It's like a wok which they use to make Chinese. And it's a heavy bottomed kadai. Keep the flame on high. To this we'll add now the cabbage, our carrots and the capsicum. So I've added all the veggies to this now. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Depending on how you like your vegetables, whether you like it half cooked as in stir fry vegetables or you like it completely cooked. According to that, we will add water to this. You keep stirring it on high heat for around 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring it till the cabbage and the carrots change color. Now we add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I've used a sachet because I had one. You can also use 1 teaspoon. Ching soy sauce preferably is very good. Keep stirring it at all times. I've added 1 cup of water because I like my vegetables nice and soft and cooked. Depending on how you like the vegetables, you have to add the water. Now in a separate dish, I have taken around 5 glasses of water. To that I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. To this I'm going to add the veg Hakka noodles. Put the noodles into the water. You can use any Hakka noodles that you have in the market. Some of the noodles also have a taste maker, masala taste maker inside. If you wish, you can put that as well at this point of time. I did not have a taste maker in the packet. It was plain noodles, so I'm just boiling these noodles. These noodles should be boiled indent, as in it doesn't have to be boiled too much or too little. Just cooked well till this froth appears on top. We can see it's cooked well. We keep stirring it at all times. Once we ensure it's soft and it's cooked, which takes around 4 to 5 minutes for it to boil like this. I'm going to put off the flame and I'm going to sieve out the water. Empty out the noodles into a sieve. Quickly, we should not leave it in the water for too long, otherwise it's going to continue cooking. To this noodles, now I'm going to add 1 glass of cold water. I'm doing this because I don't want the noodles to cook any further. If I leave the noodles as it is, it's going to get soggy. Now we have our vegetables which are ready. To that I've added a sachet of Ching's Chow Mein Hakka Noodles Masala. It's easily available at all stores. If you don't have the sachet, you can even buy the pack and add 1 tablespoon of the Chow Mein Masala to this. Keep stirring it nicely now. There's a nice aroma. To this now we're going to add our noodles. And we're going to stir the noodles well. We're going to cover the noodles nicely with the vegetables and the sauces. Give it a good stir, but ensure that you don't stir it too vigorously because we don't want the noodles breaking. Once it's all mixed nicely, we can add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This is optional. If you like a little bit of tangy sour taste, you can add the vinegar or you can have it without that as well. I like it a bit tangy, so I add the vinegar. Give it a good stir and our noodles are ready. There. It looks amazing and the taste is really nice. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Take care.